Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup. First I use the estrogen lotion on my face and trim it a little bit, and then I use the Cetaphil lotion. It's not the oil based because I do have acne on my skin right now, so I don't prefer the oil based moisturizer. And then I apply the primer from Huda Beauty, and I just dab it a little bit with my fingertips. I prefer to use the fingertips to use the primer. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And for the concealer, I use the 3 kinds of concealer on my face right now because I have too much blemishes, scars, acne, and dark circles right now. And I blend it with the beauty sponge. This is my second concealer from Kryolan. It's a really good color corrector. For blending, I usually use the beauty sponger and the fingertips. After blending it gently on my face, I applied again the Fit Me powder. And this time I'm not going to use the contour stick because I don't have that product right now. I ordered it from the e.l.f. Cosmetics because it's in the US. It's going to take so longer because of the current situation right now, the COVID-19. So the third concealer is from Maybelline New York Camo Fit Me again. And then I apply the powder again to set up the concealers and create a fine layer between the concealer and foundation, not to mix up these two. This I applied the Fit Me Maybelline foundation, pore-less, and applied again the Fit Me powder. And for my eyelids, I used the finest brown light, I used the gel liner, the brown one, not the black, and I used the Colossal kajal first to smudge it to give the smoky look. And I applied the mascara 2 times to get the finest look, first layer, and then 20 seconds rest. And then I applied the second layer. Applied the gel liner on my under eye too. Then I applied the blusher. It scares at first because it has a really good consistency with the brighter shade at first. Until it absorbs, you'll feel so scared. And after blending it gently, I use the bronzer on my upper eyelids and use it as a blush too to highlight my cheekbones. And then after blending it, I use the nude lip liner to outline my lip, and then I use the nude lipstick too. Then I applied the highlighter on my cheekbones and my eyelids. After applying this whole, I did the NYX makeup fixer, and damn, I have a look.